We be the infamous, you heard of us. I'm only 19, but my mind is older. When the things get for real, things get for real.
What's up, guys? We're clearing out our old jumps. We're gonna try and rebuild them. This is the before. We'll show you after. So this is all the grass. This is a berm, and then there's the run into the jump we used to have. It's still there, just really overgrown. So we're gonna go into just a build laps of clearing out some grass. Let's go, Cody. So far?
No, put the camera like there.
So far we've done
And then we also have
all of this. We've cleared out most of the grass, haven't we, Cody?
yeah, there's dirt in my eyes. Fucking glasses do nothing.
We're getting there. Hopefully we get to at least the berm today. Clear out some of the berm. And then see where things go.
One more time.
So far, the progress. Cody's patting everything down. Slow, shoveling. We've just about made it to the berm.
Time marks in it. Or not time marks, but
Progress so far. Clear out all this with berm. Crazy. First hits of the new berm.
That was hectic.